Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a contact form on Google Sites. First, go to sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add a contact form on. Now, let's create a contact page. For that, go to Pages, click on this add or this plus sign, give the new page a name, for example, Contact Me, click on Done. Now this is the contact me page. Now to have a contact form, we will use Google Form. For that, go to docs.google.com or forms.google.com. You will be redirected to docs.google.com. Don't worry, it's the same. Now let's create or let's select this contact information template. Just click on it. Now contact me, let's name it contact me. We will ask for the name, the email. For the address, we will delete it just like that. Same thing with the phone number. And now your message, we will call it message. Now click on responses or settings to see the settings. Now click on send, then click on embed, copy this embed HTML code just like that, and return to your contact page on Google site. Click on insert to have the insert tab and click on embed. Select embed code and paste your contact form code just like that. Click on next, then click on insert. Make this a little bit bigger and centered just like that. Save your changes by hitting this publish button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Save your changes by hitting this publish button, and let's view this page live. This is the contact me page. As you can see, let's give it a test. For example, test name, email, ben at microsoft.com, and for the message, hi, can I have your contacts, please? Click on submit. Thank you for submitting your contact info. By the way, this thank you message can be edited. I think it's from these settings or somewhere in from the settings. As you can see, for your contact, all your Messages can be retrieved from this page. Responses. As you can see, one response, and this is it. This is the name of the message, the email address, and this is the message. You can bookmark this page for easy access. And this is how to add a contact form in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.